The banded shoulder dislocate is one of the most natural movements that shoulders love to do. Big circles. It is an essential movement. It helps to improve range of motion, but also builds your shoulder stability as well. We're going to go through how to do it, how to progress it if you find it too challenging, and also how to wiggle with the movement too to make it a little more fun. We normally use a 15 to 35 pound resistance band for this. If you need to start off lighter, that's totally fine. JP is going to grab nice and wide with the band, and the whole time through the reps, he's going to keep his neck nice and relaxed. From here, he thinks about reaching forwards as far as he can, reaching in front as far as he can, and then as he reaches up to the ceiling, he reaches up, this lifts the shoulder blades up as well, neck is relaxed the whole time, brings the band down behind, keeping tension on the whole time. When he gets down to the bottom here, he's going to roll his hands round to the front and squeeze his pecs together. So this activates the pec muscles, and then he brings it back round, reaching as far back as he can, reaching up as far as he can as well. And as he brings it back down, he's then going to wrap the band around his front and pull back to activate the lats. The key point is that the whole time you keep constant tension on and you're not just flinging the band around your head the whole time. We want to get as much scap movement as we can. Whenever you pull around, do the pecs and then do the lats. That's one full rep. Resistance bands are great for adding tension to exercises to make you stronger. But what about bad tension? Like in your neck muscles. We don't want that. That's why we created the Shoulder and Posture Fix, the complete solution to all of your neck, upper back and shoulder issues. Available now at tommorrison.uk. For wiggling with the resistance band, we can free up the motion a little bit. So your standard dislocate, you're looking for symmetry and everything to move equally. This way JP is moving the arms and getting a little bit of variation with the torso as well, and just hits little extra angles that you wouldn't normally get with the standard dislocate. So good to add these as well as doing the normal dislocate too. Shoulder dislocates while in a deadlift position is great for waking up the hamstrings, helping with the core, and you also get little angles with the shoulders too. So we can work on our lat activation and our pec activation while doing this. Lovely full body exercise. You can also combine the shoulder dislocate to other exercises as well, like the arch position. So this is going to help to strengthen the lower back. JP has his legs and most of his upper body off the ground, so he's having to work really hard to keep strong here, but still keeps that reaching idea in the whole time as well, and gets that lovely scap movement in. Another great way to work on the core is to do them in the hollow body position. So JP has his shoulders off the ground and his feet off the ground, and he's still working on that dislocate. He's shaking hard. A really lovely thing to work on. One of the more challenging wiggles you can do with the shoulder dislocate is to try and do them while in a deep squat. Really lovely to work on, really challenges your upper back flexibility as well. If you really struggle to have your feet flat footed, then I would recommend just elevating the heels up. Makes it slightly easier for you as well. If you struggle with the tension on the band, you can go much wider and just have the resistance band around your thumbs. This helps you to work on the motion without as much resistance. If you just want to work on the rotation, you can take out the muscle activation element and just work on the arms going around the body. If you struggle with the band altogether, you can take the band away and just work on the motion one arm at a time by doing shoulder cars. This helps you to work on it without any resistance, and anything that feels funny, you can hang out there and move your arm until it starts to feel like it's easing off. You can use the banded shoulder dislocate as a warm-up for 5 reps. Or if you're training, you can use it in between your sets. So as you're resting, say your legs, for example, you could do a few reps and maximize your session in that way. One of my favorite things to do is endurance reps. So actually take it up to 10 to 15 and go until your shoulders are really burning. And you can also combine it with retraction exercises as well. Really good for your overall shoulder health. Resistance bands help to fill in the gaps with your overall training. It is such a good thing to add. So give it a go and let us know what you think.